Hey, it is Troy Stavros, and this is a quick market update for Tellico Village in the Loudon, Tennessee area. This is with all of the data that we have through the end of November. So taking a look at year over year, comparing November of 2023 to November of 2022. And then we'll also take a look at the weekly data that looks at active listings and what's happening with them through the end of last week. So let's jump in and take a look. So when we're looking year over year, what has happened in the housing market in Tellico Village specifically. So November 2023 compared to November 2022, home sales are up 29.6% compared to last year, with a total of 35 sales that happened in November. Inventory of homes is down 12% compared to a year ago. We have a total of 81 homes available in Tellico Village. That's through the end of November. Pending sales are down 3.7%, with a total of 26 pending sales that happened in November. And new listings are up 35.7% compared to a year ago, with a total of 38 new listings hitting the market in November. The median sales price in Tellico Village is up 19.24%. That is coming in at $626,000, being the median sales price in Tellico Village in November. The average sold price per square foot in Tellico Village in November was $263 per square foot, with the absorption rate coming in at 2.77 months worth of inventory. That's a slight uptick from last month, where we had 2.6 months worth of inventory. So seeing a little bit of an increase in the amount of inventory, but still under 3 months worth of inventory, which is a low amount of inventory. So let's take a look at the closer numbers of what's happening. So this is Loudon as a whole. This isn't specifically Tellico Village, but it gives you a pretty good idea of what is happening in the 37774 zip code. So when we look at this graphic right here, this tells us where we are as far as a buyer's market or a seller's market. So we are in a slight seller's advantage in Loudon, Tennessee right now. It's like a speedometer. So the further left you go, the more of a buyer's market it is. The further right you go, the more of a seller's market it is. And this 30 mark is the break even. So below 30, you're in a buyer's market. Above 30, you're in a seller's market. And you can see Loudon is coming in right now at a 38. So that's a slight seller's advantage. When we look over here on the right at the real-time market profile, these graphs show us a 3-month period. So what has happened over the last 3 months? We've seen the median list price trend down. So prices have weakened a little bit. That's probably because we were coming through a period of time with 8% interest rates. Good news is those dropped last week. So now we're below 7%. So that's good news. The question is, where will they go from here? So that's something that we'll need to keep an eye on. The median price of new listings has held pretty flat. Price per square foot has actually held pretty flat as well over the last 3 months. The median days on the market has held pretty flat. Price decreases have increased. You can see over time they've gone up to about 53%. Again, that is dealing with those 8% interest rates. So as we see those go down, hopefully we'll see this price decrease number come down as well. And what this price decrease number is, it's telling you how many homes that are active on the market have had a price reduction. So in Loudon, 53% of the homes that are actively on the market for sale have had a price reduction. As far as inventory, we've seen an uptick in inventory. We've gone from 58 3 months ago, and now we're standing right about 83 in Loudon. Median rent has held pretty level, and we've seen the market action index decrease from 48, almost 49, down to 38. So definitely a weakening in the market over the last 3 months. Again, definitely due to 8% interest rates. So what has happened specifically as far as sales? Let's take a quick look there. As far as sold listings in November, this past month, what sold in Tellico Village? So the majority of sales happened right here. The 550 to 600 price point had 8 sales. The 600 to 650 price point had 8 sales. And then the next largest was just above that. The 650 to 700 price point had 5 sales. Then also 4 sales in the 750 to 800 price point. The most expensive sale that happened in November, let's see, was right here. Between 1.2 and 1.3 million was the highest sale in November. When we look at pending listings, what price point is getting the most pending listings last month? So right here, the 550 to 600 price point had 6 homes go under contract in that price point. The next one would be the 600 to 650 price point, had 4 go under contract. As far as active listings, what price point has the most active and available listings? We could see right here the 600 to 650 price point has 18 available homes that are active and available for sale. So that is definitely where the most of your inventory is, in that 600 to 650 price point. Followed by 500 to 550 has 14 available homes, and the 550 to 600 has 14 available homes. 650 to 700 also has 10. So there's quite a bit of inventory right here in these price points between 500 and 700. As far as new listings hitting the market, you can see we had 10 listings between 600 and 650 hit the market last month as new listings, followed by 7 in that 500 to 550 price point. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. Just a quick update on what is happening in the market in Tellico. I will get back with you next week and let you know what those changes are, how things are going. We want to keep an eye on the price reduction number. We want to keep an eye on the inventory number. And we just want to see where those go so we can kind of see where we're going to be at going in to the beginning of next year. Have a Merry Christmas, and we will talk to you soon.